Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Ninth class first lesson is matter around us. So here first what is matter and what the matter is made up of. If we'll see means the matter is made up of small tiny particles called atoms. Small tiny here if you'll see means the matter is made up of small tiny particles called atoms. The word matter has very specific meaning in science. Let us try to understand the concept of matter. First of all, the matter is in English is ultimately it is derived from the Latin word and its meaning is wood or timber. Let us try to understand the concept of matter. You have read about metals and non-metals, synthetic and natural fibers, acids and bases, etc. in your previous classes. These are all examples of matter. So in the previous classes you have learned about metals and non-metals. What are the properties of metals and non-metals? If you'll see in your 8th standard about metals and non-metals, you are going to get some properties based about the sonorous, lustrous, ductility. These kind of properties you can see many. You can see here synthetic and natural fibers. What are natural fibers? How they are obtained, the natural fibers? How silk is obtained naturally? How wool is obtained naturally? The cotton, here synthetic fibers. How the synthetic fibers, the polyester, nylon, rayon, how these clothes are obtained, you have learned in your previous classes. And if you see these acids and bases, you have learned in your 7th standard. So what are acids? So what color they will be turned? So your bases. What is the taste of the base? How the bases will be there? What are the acids? The acids are sour in taste, bases are bitter in taste. If you go for what children? Acids and bases means the acids are sour in taste and the bases are bitter in taste. You have learned in your previous classes about these acids and bases. Next, these are all examples of matter. If you are coming here means metals and non-metals, natural fibers, synthetic fibers, acids and bases. These are all what you have learned in your previous classes. All these are examples of what they are saying. All these are examples of matter. All the things around us which exist in a variety of shapes. So if you observe, if you go through our surroundings, so all are not in the same shape, they are all not in the same size, they are having the different shapes, they are having the different sizes. Suppose if you compare in your class students heights are different, their sizes are different. Some may be fat, some may be thin, some may be uh, more height, some may be shorter, some may be taller if you compare with each of the persons. And texture are also examples of matter. Children, here the texture is nothing but the appearance, how they are appearing, how the things appear for us, what is the shape of the object, what is the size of the object, and how their appearance is there. If you see a ball, you'll be playing the cricket, I think so. The cricket ball, how the shape of the ball is there, what is the size of the ball, and how it is appearing for you, are all examples of matter you can take. The water we drink, our food, what we are eating, the clothes, and what we are wearing, various things that we use in our day to day life, the air we breathe, even our body, etc., are examples of matter. This all comes under the matter. What previously in in the classes you have learned about metals comes under the matter, non-metals comes under the matter, synthetic and natural fibers, acids and bases, water we drink, the food we eat, the clothes we wear, the air we breathe, even our body, everything comes under the matter. Then what is matter? What is matter made up of means it is made up of small tiny particles called atoms. But what is matter? Anything in this world. What it is, Nana? Anything. Anything in this world. Anything in this world that occupies space and has mass is considered as matter. In this world, whatever it may be, either you comes under the matter, even I am comes under the matter, the books comes under the matter, the box you are using, the cum box, it comes under the matter, the pen what you are holding, that comes under the matter, the bag what you are wearing while going to the school, that comes under the matter. Here, anything in this world that occupies space, it should occupy some space and it should have some mass. Here mass is nothing but no definite shape, a large body of matter with no definite shape, a large body of people or objects crowded together also you can think. Here mass is nothing but a large body of a mass, a large body of a matter is considered as matter. So once again, anything in this world that occupies space and has mass is considered as matter.